gives me great pleasure in welcoming you to the second edition of the Family Medicine Conference, sponsored by the Dubai Health Authority in collaboration with the American Academy for Family Medicine. It's a great opportunity for our doctors and our physicians to learn from the experience of our guest speakers and international speakers from all around the world, and to share the knowledge in an aim to provide better health care for all.
I'm here with the American Academy of Family Physicians. My colleagues and I are happy to welcome you to Day 2 of the AAFP Congress for Family Medicine.
Good morning, my name is Jonathan Fernhuber. I'm a Family Medicine Residency Program.
Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Baldor,
My name is Joseph Gary, and I'm here.
My name is Maru Savoy. I'm a chair and an associate professor.
I'm David Weissmiller, a professor of family and community medicine at the